நம்ம என்ன பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா பெட் டைம் ஸ்டோரி. நாங்கள் டெய்லிக்கும் படுத்து தூங்கும்போது ஸ்டோரி படிப்போம். கனவுலாம் வரதுக்கு ஸ்டோரி படிப்போம். அதனால நம்ம இப்போ ஸ்டோரி படிச்சிடலாம். என்ன ஸ்டோரினா, முயலும் ஆமையும் இருந்த கதை. The Hare and the Tortoise. One day, a hare mocked the slow pace of the tortoise. So the tortoise challenged to have a race with him. The tortoise accepted his challenge. The race started. The hare ran very fast. The tortoise was left much behind. The hare, thinking he had enough time, stopped to take rest under the tree and fell asleep. But the tortoise didn't stop and went on with a steady pace and reached the winning post. The hare woke up and ran as fast as he could to catch up with the tortoise, but it was left too late. The tortoise had already won the race. The moral of the story is slow and steady wins the race. Thank you. Bye. இப்போ நாங்க தூங்க போறோம். Good night.